welcome to Research Circle. The topic for discussion in this particular video is graphic design online course, a source to earn the money online. Now we all know graphic architecture account for the implementation of machine design concepts. It needs knowledge and strategies that can be learned with qualified guidance from others. So it's a way to communicate with millions of people instinctively. So the tale that we read online or colorful sketches that we display from the magazines are the product of a graphic artist who brought together their imaginations and innovations. Of If you want to become a graphic designer, then enter some best graphic design course online now. So the first thing here we must know that common mistake with graphic designers make. Okay, so we'll look for that mistakes. So we assume that you can reach success with the repetition, but often we just require a little encouragement. So you probably know that makes a good design with the help of some courses and tutors. Let's know. Let's now look at the certain can errors created by graphic designers. So you should stop them. The first is filling up the white spaces. So try not to fill the template with unnecessary elements. Okay, it's fine if there are white spaces in the email. It's always a really positive thing in the reality that mastering space is a key design skill in your work. Now think of the space as a really helpful interface element that could be 2D, 3D negative or a good help to make the product appear even better, simpler and more appealing. The next here is choosing the wrong font. Now another one will render the deal or split it. The right typography template that does along with the color and overall design is very necessary to pick. Sandy, in a course of being a creative and inventive, the new designers end up utilizing the wrong font from and layout. Here's something to help you move through this department. Limit yourself to the font familiar you are using on one piece. Be alert to be a font weight and match the sound of a brand message to the document. The next one is a distinct learning. Now imagine total freedom to pick what you want to read, how well to research it, etc., without getting distracted by another peer or uncertainty of an instructor walking to check what you are learning on your laptop. Though our online classes that is achievable, that can choose to relax at home on your beloved sofa and have the ability to develop a new talent. So having the sum of flexibility ensures you are going to have to prepare to control yourself to treat your time properly, so that may be a moment real wisdom. The next one here is one-to-one class structure. Now with the online professional tutors, you can now learn in a relaxed sitting at your own rate. This helps every minute at your own rate. At emerging technologies, smartphone makes learning successful, easy to reach during the travel or through breaks in your work. Be sure you choose the right program that fits your specific environment and your learning needs. The next one comes here is what is Adobe software. Now we'll look for the Adobe software. Adobe software is indicates the course student that are searching for its necessary to learn more about the curriculum. Adobe Creative Cloud is the newest version, that is 2020, offering a variety of cloud tools and computer apps that enables consumers to help pay to use customized programs, sets specifically for a graphic design, web design and creation, photo production and video editing process. So Adobe's CC Access software is a distinctive in how it's designed as a cloud-based where consumers can display, where upload data and photos via cloud storage and their local device. Creative Cloud is a series of software goods that consumer can access and activate on their laptop. Now, how to the next point here is how to become a graphic designer. Everyone can learn functionally of graphic designer and techniques through the classes provided in the university. Uh, we are learning, living in a 21st century where we are at an all-time high technology thanks to the internet. Via the worldwide network, we are linked around the globe and in the comfort of our homes, we are supported with the blessing of the learning courses. This is why only be made possible by studying and figuring the best graphic design course out there with the six exclusive one-to-one classes that will be you the perfect instructor training to address any graphic design question you might have. Okay. Now, why should you take an online course? There are many benefits. Now we'll move toward our core topic idea. It is a strong in demand to take an online lesson because it saves money and create more curiosity. When you sign up for the class or the online course, you get your money's worth. The instructors are skillful and positive. They will even supply their student with the model design, business logos, and many more at the industry stage. The students are working hard and their main aim to unlock the student statistics side to this every job given to them become an amazing atom. Now the next career, how career from the graphic designers or the career for the graphic designers. Now to encourage customers to purchase their goods and services, graphic designers are asked to shape website to generate different visual representations for the website owners. There are some items you can do from the artistic ventures out of your own house. If they want to do so, graphic artists may either continue on a project based scale or lift a job amount. The field is undoubtedly become a popular and the demand for the graphic designer are at peak. So this is all about today's topic, that is graphic design online courses, a source to learn online. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, if you find it useful, please share and subscribe to Research Circle. Thank you so much.